Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I'm modifying that 3D printed coin cell battery LED holder that I made a few weeks ago.
Barb Makes Things!
When I made that LED and coin cell battery holder last week, you might remember me saying, I will probably be making modifications after some user testing. Scratch probably, definitely. For dexterous hands that have a couple decades of experience at manipulating things, the design was okay. Not good, but potentially workable. However, for younger hands, it was too tight. Too hard to put in, too hard to take out. So, more iteration. Yay! I widened the walls a bit. I also tried opening up those two tiny holes to just one big opening. I tried it with an LED with nice straight wires, but I want to be testing for real world conditions, not ideal ones. So considering that the legs of LEDs often get twisted all around, I added a divider again to keep them separated. The holes are still much bigger than before, so hopefully easier to use. I also moved in the grabby opening there a little bit. The print didn't want to adhere.
This is not what is supposed to happen. Ew.
So I wiped down the build plate with acetone and switched to a different filament eventually.
The LED goes in. And the holes are a little bit bigger, so that's a little bit simpler. And this slides in. It's not too tight, so I can pretty easily pull it out again. And then this slides right out.
This seems pretty good, but I want to try to get it a little bit smaller, see how condensed I can make it.
This new one is just a little bit shorter. Same holes, which are fine. This is easier to fall out. So this is too short. I could make it fall out with some mild shaking. This one I think will stay. Yeah, this one will stay. I reached the limit. This is too small. This is good size. I like the clear plastic as well, because you can see what's going on inside.
So, going with the previous version. Again, I might revisit this at some point in the future. There are potentially different versions I could make of this that would help in different situations. For right now, I'm gonna try these ones out and see how they do. I like that they're simple. It occurs to me that I mentioned some other methods for keeping this together previously, but I didn't show you. I'm going to rectify my mistake next week, so tune in for that. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.